Hi, I'm Ron Stoddard with Winnebago, District Sales Manager in the Southwest, and I'm here today talking about the Sightseer in Sonova. Of course, your service center for your dump area, black tank and gray tank, clearly labeled. And of course, the rest of your service area, you got a little outside shower, your water inlet, you got a little water pump, and then auto level. That's what we call three-place auto level. Not only can you lower and raise your jacks from the driver's seat, but you can do it from here at the service area and also in the entry door. So here's a third part to our service center. Of course, again, black tank and gray tank. You got your black tank flush. You got a portable satellite hookup and a cable hookup as well. Got a full awning. So it's mounted right on your slide out, so you don't lose the space between the slide out and the cab and the coach area. So it gives you a lot of space inside underneath your awning. See the nice large side camera and backup camera screen. It also acts as your stereo, Bluetooth. On this particular coach, we have motor aid. And what that does, your radiator runs 180 to 210 degrees. And we run that coolant line back to your water heater and wrap it. So as you're driving down the road, you have warm water in your water heater without using your LP. Then the line continues on back to a heat exchange, and it allows us to blow warm air through the coach as you're driving down the road. And then you have a return line that comes all the way back to the radiator. And what that does, that we run more coolant in our coach, so we tend to run about 5-degree cooler than everybody else. Listen, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to view our Sightseer Sonova, and I hope you have a good day.